I want to say a big thank you to Jenny Stone from Jenny Therapy, who helped and inspired me to put together the tweak necessary to get this new product ideas generator to where it is right now. Hi there. I created this new product ideas generator to help my clients discover the next products they could be offering to their clients, or the next line of services they could be offering. And one of the reasons why I like this customized GPT is that I've also included that the GPT must respond with results that are actionable. I don't want some airy-fairy ideas. No, it's going to give you actionable marketing ideas and actionable product or service ideas that are in line with two things. Number one, it's going to give you ideas that are in line with where you are based on the income level you are in right now. Then it will give you subsequent results for your next level income. So we have 4 income brackets. So let's say you are earning under 20,000 right now. It's going to give you 10 product ideas and 10 marketing ideas that you can implement. Then it will give you, again, the next bracket being 50,000. It will give you, this is what you can do if you want to earn 50,000. Then if you were starting at 50,000, it will give you the 50,000 ideas. Then it will give you the 100,000 ideas. So that's how we've done it, so that we do not get overwhelmed. Because one of the most frustrating things about some of the things we learn is that they're not practical for everyone. It's not practical because you don't have the ideas, you don't have the knowledge, you don't have the capacity, you don't have the resources. But this customized GPT is tailored for wherever you are in your entrepreneurial journey. So let's see how it works in practice. It's going to ask you first to give it your current product offering. So could you please share what types of products or services your business currently offers? This will help me generate ideas that align with your existing offering. So I'm going to say consulting. I'm going to say, let's just say business consulting. And I'm going to say writing books, business books. Okay, I want to say writing business books for startups. Okay, those are my 2 offerings. Then it's going to ask, thanks. To better tailor my suggestion, right, could you also let me know your target audience? Okay, I will do that. Any major competitors and current market trends you've noticed, and what resources you have available. Additionally, which income bracket does your business fall into? So I'm going to, instead of trying to I'm going to just copy that and I'm going to tell it, I'm going to say, for this example, oops, let's say, it didn't copy that as I wanted. So let's go again. Copy that. Okay, so let's start answering the questions as it's asking it. Do you know your target audience? Yeah, I'm going to say, yeah, small businesses. Now I'm going to say startups. Yeah, any major competitors? I'm going to say, yeah, I'm going to say other authors like Eric Ries. Eric Ries, I hope I spelled that right. Current market trends you've noticed. I'm going to say a need for Gen AI. Okay, what resources do you have available? I'm going to just say minimum resources. Additionally, income bracket do you fall into? I'm going to say 50,000 bracket. Let's see what happens. I'm going to say the lowest bracket. I'm going to say 20,000 bracket. which is the lowest bracket we have. Okay, go. Great. Yeah, okay, so now it's giving me product ideas for my current income bracket. It said AI startup, powered startup guides. Yeah, I can see that. Workshops, online workshops. Yeah, if I'm not doing that, I could do that. Startup mentorship packages. Yeah, I can do that. Interact. Okay, we'll look at it once it finishes. Marketing strategies for the current income. All right, that's what it says. Okay. Then it's giving me product ideas for the next income bracket. I like that. Just a quick news flash. If you want me to design your own customized GPT for your business, whether it's got to do with marketing, strategic planning, or even goal setting, then I can do that. All you need to do will be to complete the form that is in the description below. Get in touch with me and I'll help you create your own customized GPT for your business. All right, let's get back in. Haha. Yeah, this is a progression from what I'm doing right now, it says. And it gives me the marketing strategies for that next bracket level of income. Wow, I love it. I know I created it, but I love it anyway because of what it does. So I'm going to paste this into the description. I'm also going to paste the link to the GPT into the description box so that you can use it. But please, when you use it, can you come back and tell me whether the suggestions it gave was accurate and they are actionable or not? Because I want to be able to tweak it. I want to be able to work on this GPT if it doesn't deliver as much. But I think it will deliver. However, you need to let me know. So please come back and let me know how you got on with this GPT. If there's any other GPT you think I need to create, then do let me know. I'm willing to try and do my best to create one for you. All right, this is Boomy Tokan saying God bless and see you soon. Bye. Just a quick news flash. If you want me to design your own customized GPT for your business, whether it's got to do with marketing, strategic planning, or even goal setting, then I can do that. All you need to do will be to complete the form that is in the description below. Get in touch with me and I'll help you create your own customized GPT for your business.